Rockford. Alpha India 9 Romeo, Colorado and Harrison.
Weather radios have not yet sounded, K9 TSU.
I don't know where the second one's located. I do hear the one here at the end of Wyoming and Harrison Avenue.
Weather radios have not yet sounded, K9 TSU.
And W9T, board both front of my house. I hear 2 sirens South Lake. Number 9 Sierra Oscar Charlie to net control. 9 SOC KT9 QLS, go ahead. Siren sounding, Roscoe and Old River. Roscoe and Old River Road. KT9SQR on Gregory Street. And here's siren.
All commercial radio and television stations will participate along the location subscription weather warning services and on the National Weather Service web pages. This would be a good time
trying to get through. Your transmission was garbled. Can't hear you. Please try it again at a better location.
Other outlook for north.
Only Mike Teal, one of my Swedish American, are you here?
No warnings.
No, Central on 1 State in Rockford, gas sirens going off. Okay, can you repeat that call sign and location, please?
WX9MCS Weather Net Red.
Last night,
That was KC9CLS, Victor Lima Sierra, at West State and Central and Rockford, Illinois. Net control, N9SOC. N9SOC, KC9QLS, go ahead. Sirens going off at Swanson Road and Roscoe Fire Department. Swanson Road and Roscoe Fire Department. Okay, energy. K9OMG, go ahead. 4 sirens have just terminated. They are offline now, or shut down. Okay, Mike, could you verify your location, please? No, Mike. There was 4 sirens in the area. I heard all 4 of them start up. I'm not sure exactly their location, but I did hear all 4 of them start up. But they're now terminated. Okay, and that was Harlem and Alpine that you're at? It's an affirmative. Control KC9ATR. Could you please give me your location? Double with the Linda, try it again. N9XTA KC9QLS, please provide your location.
Tornado warning.
National Weather Service weather radio, this one off, 9FCS.
Tornado warning now effective 15 minutes from now, K9 TSU.
Central Illinois, Edmond County in north central Illinois, Carroll County in northwest Illinois, Henry County in northwest Illinois, Joe Davies County in northwest Illinois, Mercer County in northwest Illinois, Rock Island County in northwest Illinois, Stevenson County in northwest Illinois, Whiteside County in northwest Illinois.
Sirens were going off in mid part of one part of the road through Mobile and North County in west central Illinois.
Until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. At 10 o'clock a.m. This is a test tornado warning issued in conjunction with the Illinois statewide tornado drills a part of Illinois.
Next week, Karen, let's park for a second in Windsor.
This is a test. Please take the opportunity to review and practice your severe weather action plan in your home, school, and business. It is safest place to be in a basement or on the lowest floor of a sturdy building in an interior
is a drill. This is a drill, the 2012 tornado drill for the state of Illinois. This is a drill only.
To control. Signs up, signs up. Fire terminated over here in Rockford, Riverside, but one spark is going off right now.
Okay, verified. Riverside and Mulford, and one spark is going off now. Thank you. This is KC9QLS. This is a drill. This is a drill only. 09XTA, this is KC9QLS. Okay, I think I may have that wrong. N8XTA, KC9QLS. KC9LQB, KC9QLS, this is a drill, go ahead.
Yeah, the KC9LQB. I just heard an audio on a loudspeaker from over here that this is only a test.
K9TSU.
Verified KC9LQB, K9TSU, go ahead.
Sorry, I had to step away from the radio for a moment. The National Weather Service did sound the weather radios, and that test, repeat, test tornado warning is in effect until 10:15 a.m. Again, for all northern Illinois counties, of course, it is only a test. K9TSU.
Okay, so your weather radio is indicating there's a warning?
Yes, the weather radios went off, sounding for a test tornado warning, in effect until 10:15 a.m.
Okay, but there are no sirens, correct?
Unable to advise. We are not. Wisconsin is not participating in this. This was off of the Freeport weather radio channel.
Okay, thank you. K9TSU. Okay, I'm going to verify check-ins here. We've got N8XTA, K9OMG. I have your report verified. KC9LQB at Riverside and Mulford, verified. N9MCS at Wyoming and Harrison, verified, as well as National Weather Service indications via radio. That is via weather radio. This is a drill. This is a drill only. NW9T, you're in South Beloit, is that correct?
Net control, NW9T, that is correct. I was on my HT in front of the house, at my house, and I did hear multiple sirens going off.
WX9MCS, Weather Net Red.
Okay, thank you. Verified with NW9T. N9SOC, this is KC9QLS, verified Roscoe and Old River Road, as well as Swanson Road and the Roscoe Police Department, or Fire Department. Verified. Net Control, N9SOC, that is correct. KC9SQR, KC9QLS, verified siren start at Gregory Street, correct?
Net Control, KC9SQR, yes, that is correct. Gregory Street in Kishwaukee at my home, QTH. I was indoors, and honestly, from indoors, it could barely be heard.
You were located near American.
This week, this is a test message.
Net Control, that's
This message is for test purposes only.
And I can also hear one over High School on
Test message.
South Street.
Tornado warning for all Illinois counties until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning as part of Illinois severe weather preparedness week. This is a test message.
Thank you. This is KC9QLS. This is a drill. This is a drill only. I barely caught that transmission. Please repeat. KC9QLS. QLS, WX9WAS. Do you copy any better now? Yeah, a little bit. I didn't get the whole part of your transmission there. I've got ALJ. Could you please repeat your call time? Okay, am I correct that you're stating that you're at 23rd and 20th Street? We're inside at 2316 inside the building. We did hear the outside siren. Okay, so you're at 2316 20th Street inside and you heard the sirens? On 23rd, we're on 23rd, just down the corner from the 20th Street intersection. Okay, verified WA9HLJ that you're on 23rd near 20th Street. That is verified. Thank you.
KC9 QLS AI9R.
AI9R, this is KC9QLS. Go ahead.
Yeah, Linda, did you get mine? Colorado and Harrison over by Rosecrans.
No, I'm sorry, I did not. But thank you very much. That's verified, Colorado and Harrison. You did hear the sirens, am I correct?
Yeah, affirmative.
Okay, thank you for that. That's verified. This is a drill. This is a drill only. KC9QLS. At this time, let me verify KC9ATR. Have you returned to the vehicle? This is KC9QLS. Okay, nothing heard. KC9VLS. This is KC9QLS. Verified you're at West State and Central, and you heard sirens as well as verified activation on the television.
KC9VLS, that is correct. I heard sirens outside and saw the activation on the television.
GCR, KC9QLS.
It's KC9GCR here. Go ahead, Linda.
Jim. Just to verify that you did hear sirens, I just want to verify that the sirens were heard based on your transmission.
Yes, that is. They went off. They were on for 30 seconds or so, and then they were shut down. Also, other radios to the Romeoville and the Quad Cities both went off.
Romeoville and Quad Cities warnings did go off on the weather radio?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, that's verified. I'm sorry, is there another station trying to get in? This is KC9QLS.
1GRJ, weather sirens went off, weather radio went off, and we are a trained weather spotter.
GRJ, can you give me your complete call sign again, please, and your exact location?
Okay, Linda, yeah, it's Kilo Bravo 1, Golf, Romeo, Juliet, and we're in Polo, Illinois. And
KB1GRJ, thank you, verified that transmission. K9OMG, this is KC9QLS, go ahead.
Have to check out. I'll be back monitoring intermittently. K9OMG.
Okay, thank you very much for your help. This is KC9QLS. Are there any other stations within the Illinois 2012 tornado drill that would like to check in at this time? This is KC9QLS. Please call now.
K9TSU with a relay from KC9VAE.
WX9MCS Weather Net Red.
KC9OJT, this is KC9QLS. Go ahead with your traffic.
Linda, you could go ahead and check me into the net. My major intersection is Newburgh and Arnold.
Did you hear sirens at your location?
That's affirmative. I did hear the sirens at Swedish American.
Okay, verified. Thank you for that. This is KC9QLS. This is a drill. This is a drill only, the 2012 tornado drill for the state of Illinois. Are there any other stations that would like to check in at this time with verification of sirens heard?
Check for double. K9TSU with a relay for KC9VAE.
K9TSU relay for KC9VAE. Go ahead, please.
Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Alpha Echo heard sirens inside the building at 11th Street and Harrison Avenue. Again, that's 11th Street and Harrison Avenue in Rockford. Jeremy was able to hear a siren going off inside the building. Again, that's a relay from Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Alpha Echo. This is K9TSU Tornado Spotter Unit.
Okay, K9TSU, relaying traffic for KC9VAE, located 11th Street and Harrison inside the building. Verified sirens heard. Thank you very much, K9TSU. This is KC9QLS. This is a drill. This is a drill only. Are there any other locations that would like to check into the net at this time? Please call now, KC9QLS.
N9MCS.
N9SOC, relay. N9MCS, please hold for just a moment. N9SOC, relay, go ahead.
Net control.
Control N9SOC W9DWP Schaumburg on job site. Sirens went off in Schaumburg, and he had notification on his phone. So that's W9DWP Schaumburg, Illinois. Sirens did go off down there.
Verified N9SOC relaying for W9DWP Schaumburg, verified sirens heard as well as indications on phone. Okay, thank you for that transmission. N9MCS, this is KC9QLS. Please go ahead with your traffic.
Thank you, Linda. Just want to let Patrick know, if he hasn't done it already, there is a loose net currently happening on 3905 on lower sideband. No official net, but there is a gathering hams. They're discussing the tornado drill in that, and they're taking check-ins, but no official net, just a loose net. And also the National Weather Service is not conducting a tornado drill net on the fish fire radio system that we connect to on 440.
Okay, thank you for that. So you did not hear from LOT?
No, not over amateur radio. Weather radio, of course, did go off, but nothing over amateur radio from LOT. And like I said, loose net on the Illinois Aries frequency right now of 3905.
Thank you for that, N9MCS. Verified that information, 3905 for the Illinois Aries net, non-coordinated net at this time. KC9QLS, is there any other traffic checking into the net at this time? This is a drill. This is a drill only for the Illinois 2012 tornado drill. Is there anyone wanting to check into the net at this time?
KC9QLS, this is KC9SDO.
KC9SDO, this is KC9QLS. Go ahead.
All right, I just wanted to report, I'm over here in Pecatonica, and I heard the siren go off at the intersection of Highway 20 and Pecatonica, right next to the 16th District State Police. And I also heard the siren going off over in Seward, Illinois. And then also my weather radio here, KC9SDO.
Okay, KC9SDO, verified that you're out of the Pecatonica area, verified sirens heard at Highway 20 at Pecatonica, Seward, Illinois, and by your weather radio. Thank you very much for that transmission. This is KC9QLS. This is the 2012 tornado drill. This is a drill only. Are there any other stations wishing to check in at this time? Please call now.
Net Control, Kilo Charlie 9 Lima, Quebec Bravo.
KC9LQB, this is KC9QLS. Go ahead.
Hi, Linda. I hear a siren stuck on the west side. I cannot tell you where it's at. It's west of here. It's kind of faint, but it's still going. It has been on since we started.
Okay, it's west of your location?
Affirmative.
KC9RMK, this is KC9QLS. Okay, nothing heard. This is KC9QLS asking any stations west of the location of Riverside and Mulford. West of Riverside and Mulford, can you verify that a siren is still alarming and that it is stuck at this time? Are there any locations that can verify that, and the location, please? Are there any locations west of the intersection of Riverside and Mulford that can verify that the siren is still alarming? Please call now.
Rubber, red.
Okay, nothing heard. This is KC9QLS for the 2012 Illinois tornado drill. This is a drill only. Are there any other stations that would like to check in at this time?
Net control, KC9FOC. I was inside and at High Point and Alpine and heard the siren.
KC9QOS and 9MCS. KC9FOC verified High Point and Alpine. Thank you for that traffic. And 9MCS, go ahead. This is KC9QLS.
Yeah, Linda, do we have verification where that siren is still stuck?
No, that's what I'm trying to verify. KC9LQB called that notification in. He's located at Riverside and Mulford. He believes that what he's hearing is west of him. I don't have any verification from anyone west of him that a siren is still going. This is KC9QLS.
Roger that, Linda. I just contacted some people. They're looking into it right now. KC9FOC net control. I'm over at RMH now. I do not hear anything. And if you'd go ahead and check me out of the net.
KC9FOC verified. You will be checking out of the net. Thank you for your assistance. This is KC9QLS. Is there any other traffic trying to access or be part of this 2012 tornado drill? This is a drill only. Please call now. This is KC9QLS net control. Okay, nothing heard. At this time, we'll go ahead and close down the net. I'm going to go ahead one by one and just go ahead and release everyone. KC9GCR, do you have any other traffic to pass? This is KC9QLS.
KC9GCR, there's nothing else that happened here, so KC9GCR will be clear and checking out the net.
Okay, Jim, thanks for your assistance. N8XTA, this is KC9QLS. Okay, nothing heard. K9OMG is already checked out of the net temporarily. KC9LQB, this is KC9QLS. Do you have any other traffic to pass?
KC9LQB, just that siren is still going. It seems like it's sort of northwest of me. I can't actually tell where it's at. It's faint, but I can still hear it. KC9LQB clear.
Okay, thank you for that verification. I'm going to go ahead and check you out of the net at this time. This is KC9QLS.
Net control, N9SOC.
N9SOC, this is KC9QLS. Go ahead.
Yeah, I relayed our traffic on Illinois Ares net on 3905 lower sideband to WA9QPM. WA9QPM. Relayed our traffic about our sirens and our EAS and weather radios in our counties up here, as well as our relay in Schaumburg. Over.
Okay, that's the Illinois Ares net that you verified, WA9QPM.
Yeah, I checked us into that net and verified our traffic for our sirens and our EAS system and weather radios there. Over.
Okay, thank you for that. N9SOC, can you contact the EOC verifying with them that there is a siren that will not stop running? It seems to be stuck. It seems to be northwest of the area of Riverside and Mulford, but we cannot verify the location at this time.
Net control, N9SOC, check me out of the net, I'll be on the phone.
N9MCS, this is KC9QLS. Do you have any further traffic at this time?
No, Linda, thank you for running the net, and seems like a good net today. Go ahead and check me out here at 1034 local.
Okay, Eric, thank you very much. As soon as I'm done checking everyone out, would you please return the repeater to normal use?
Sure thing.
Thank you. I'll let you know as soon as I check everyone out here. K9TSU, KC9QLS.
35 local. You can check me out, Linda, and thanks for doing the net. K9 Tornado Spotter Unit, TSU.
Okay, thank you for your traffic and your relay. Greatly appreciated. NW9T, this is KC9QLS.
KC9QLS, NW9T, no further traffic. Thank you, ma'am. NW9T clear.
Okay, thank you, Sam. KC9SQR. This is KC9QLS. Any further traffic to pass at this time?
This is KC9SQR, Connect Control. Nothing else at this time. Go ahead and check me out, Linda.
Okay, Will, thank you very much for participating this morning. KC9RMK, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic to pass at this time?
KC9QLS is KC9RMK. No further traffic. You did a fantastic job on the net. Thanks for doing it. This will be KC9RMK. We'll be monitoring 255.
WX9MCS Weather Net Red.
Okay, thank you. I'll be checking you out of the net at this time. KC9VLS, this is KC9QLS Net Control. Do you have any further traffic to pass at this time?
Net Control, this is KC9VLS. I have no new messages. Go ahead and check me out.
Thank you very much for participating this morning. KC9ATR, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic at this time? Okay, he had checked out previously, so WA9HLJ, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic to pass?
No traffic. Thank you for taking over net control this morning. WA9HLJ will be clear.
Okay, thank you very much for participating this morning. AI9R, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic at this time? Okay, nothing heard. KB1GRJ, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic to pass?
No further traffic. Hope everybody has a good day and enjoys the nice weather we have.
Net Control, N9SOC.
KB1GRJ, thank you very much. I will check you out of the net at this time. N9SOC, go ahead.
Message about the siren has been delivered to the EOC. Message about the siren has been delivered to the EOC ITEX.
Okay, thank you very much for that. I'm going to go ahead and check you out of the net at this time unless you have any further traffic to pass.
I have no further traffic at this time. You can close the net at your leisure. N9SOC.
Okay, thank you for your help this morning. KC9OJP, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic to pass?
KC9QLS, KC9OJP. Nope, you can go ahead and check me out. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much, Phil, for your help this morning. KC9VAE, this is KC9QLS. Any further traffic to pass at this time? Okay, nothing heard. KC9SCO, this is KC9QLS, Met Control. Any further traffic to pass at this time?
KC9QLS, this is KC9SDO. No further traffic. Great job, Linda. KC9SDO clear.
Okay, well, thank you very much, and thank you for your participation this morning. I know KC9FOC already checked out. Is there any last-minute check-ins or traffic to pass for the 2012 tornado drill? This is KC9QLS. Please go ahead with your transmission. Okay, nothing heard at this time. We're going to close down this net. I thank everyone for participating in the 2012 tornado drill. It'll be a great assistance to our community. Your participation is always helpful, and thank you for that. And at this time, I'd like to ask N9MCS to return the repeater to normal amateur use. This is KC9QLS 73. Have a great day, and I'll be closed.
Stand by. NMCS. Repeater back to normal amateur radio use and 9 MCS.